Alright, I'm going to show you guys how to install Avrdude on your Raspberry Pi or Linux. As far as I know, you can't do this on Windows, so I'm going to show you that. So first, you're going to want to open up your terminal, or I'm going to do this all from terminal so that you guys can do it on your Pis that you have, or if you destroy your image or whatever and need to reinstall, you'll be doing it from command line. So this is the first command you need to run. I'll leave it right there because it's long. I'm just going to copy and paste it. And actually, before I run that, I'm going to cd to my desktop. Alright, and then I'm going to run that command. And that's just going to download Avrdude. And then we need to extract it. I think it's tar xf. Hang on one second. I had all these commands written down, but I didn't keep them written down. They're in here. Yeah, so this is the tar. This is how you install or extract packages like this on Linux. XF, I was right. Or close to right. -xf Avrdude. And that'll do it, and then you'll see it's right there. So if we go into Avrdude, if I type cd, and then you see all your files in there. So in order to make this work, I'm going to do this entirely from command line, even though I don't really want to. I would use GUI if I was doing this and not recording. So then you need to go, I'm just looking for the file, there it is. It is this one, USB, that's the one you're going to want to edit. So USB_tab, and we don't have Vim, okay, I guess I'm going to use Nano. This is a virtual machine, in case anyone was wondering. Alright, and then scroll down quite a bit. way down. And that's it right there. Okay, so you see this if statement, it's right here. See how that's the same as this if statement? Or, I guess it's not, because that, yeah. Let's see, open, close, open, close. Yeah, so this one actually doesn't do anything. Whatever, we just delete it. It doesn't matter if what it does. Just get rid of it. Because it doesn't need to be there. So now it's gone. So let me Control X. Yes, enter. I'm just going to clear my screen. And then we're going to do, because we're still in the Avrdude directory, we're going to do /configure. And this is going to tell us what we need to get and what we already have. Okay, so we don't have any of these. The FTDIs we don't have to worry about, and we don't have to worry about libhid, but these three we need. Yeah. Okay, so to do that, we do sudo apt get install, and then I don't actually know what these are. I think I actually, maybe I do. Dev, I think. Yep, I think it's that one. And then just to make sure it works, just run after each one of these. Yeah, so there you go. Now you see that it's there. And then lib, you're going to want to do libusb-1.0-o. I think mine already has this. Yeah, so mine already has that, but in case yours doesn't. And then we're going to do I actually think we need to do the -dev of that one as well, and I know we do. Alright, so that's installed, and then we're also going to do libusb-dev. And when we do /configure, it's going to run through and make sure everything is there that it needs. Alright, so you see they're all there. Alright, I'm going to get another I don't think it's I know Flex is one of them. I don't think Yak is it. Hang on. You see I wrote down, yeah, no, it's not going to be there. Hang on. I wrote down how to do all of this. Yeah, it's B-Yak. And Flex. Yeah, so I wrote down how to do all of this, and it just still doesn't like me. Alright, and then you have to configure it again. Otherwise it won't work. Make sure you configure after doing all this. Alright, still have all those things. Great. Now we do make. You might want to run it under sudo. I don't know if you have to or not. The fact that we're getting this far means it's working. Somewhat at least. Give it a minute. Alright, and it's done. I think you just do make check. Yep, so I think it's good. And then I'm going to do sudo here, sudo make install, because I'm pretty sure I've done this in the past and had issues without sudo. Yep, I believe that worked. And then sudo make clean, just to clean it up. I don't actually know what that does, but I think it gets rid of some of the files configure makes and stuff. It should be installed. Okay, it is installed. So then we can go to Eason's website. I'm going to embarrass myself trying to find this, aren't I? .main.edu, I think. Yep. Alright. And then instructions for programming. I think it's that one. Yes. Alright, so we need this command. You guys can all find this, I'm sure. I'm just going to paste it in. Oh, actually, I don't want to put that there. I do want to put it there. There we go. Now it's on my desktop. Unzip. I think I have unzipped installed. Yep. Oops. Alright. And then I don't actually have a board installed to this. Installed. I don't have it plugged in, and also because it's a virtual machine, I can't hook it up to this, so I can't show you it actually being programmed, but it should work, and AVRdude shouldn't give us any errors here. I actually think this would work if you installed AVRdude the normal way without editing that C file. But as soon as you plug the board in, it's going to give you some receiver. So, but we'll try this anyway. AVRDUDE. Oh, I don't have GCC on here, do I? No, I must. Anyway, even if it doesn't work on here, this should work for you. If it doesn't work, you're missing a package. I've done this on Parrot Linux, which is based on Debian. I've also done it on Ubuntu, and it obviously works on the Pis without any extra packages. All you need is this. Try one more thing. Yeah, that's not gonna. Yeah, whatever. He tells you how to do this in the thing. Anyway, that's how you install AVRDude. The rest of it should be pretty straightforward based on his instructions. So yeah, there you go. Thanks.